Operation rules. Connect the adapter with the power source. Then insert the end of the adapter wire into the power source hole of the 3D pen. When LED light is yellow, indicates the device is conductive and enter the mode of standby. LED screen displays PLA or ABS. Press the material temperature button for the choice of material. It must be the material used actually to avoid potential breakdown. After selecting the material, press feeding button. LED light is red, indicates entering preheating mode, in which LED screen displays real-time heating temperature. When LED turns to green from red, indicating the end of preheating process, then you can start the following settings. It takes about 30 seconds to preheat. Press speed control button to choose best suited extruding speed. Remark: there are 8 speed controls. The defaulted one will be the 5th setting. The first speed setting is the slowest. The 8th is the fastest. The processing speed button is only working when stop extruding and LED light is green. In other circumstances, the processing will be in vain. Insert the selected materials into feeding hole at the end of the pen. Press feeding button and the filament will be moved by the built-in motor. When the melting materials come out of the tip, it means the success of setting. You can start to doodle now. The device combines functions of continuous extruding and intermittent extruding. Continuous extruding. Press feeding button. The pen extrude and flow constantly. Press again feeding button. The pen stop feeding. Intermittent extruding. Double-click feeding button and press on the button. Then the pen start to extrude. Release the button. Extruding stop. When LED light is green, press and hold on the unrolled button for 3 seconds. Then release. Built-in motor will start to reverse material. When material stops moving backward, please take out the material gently from the end of the pen. Then press unload button. The motor stops reversing. Intermittent function will automatically stop when work up to 1 minute. When the drawing ended, please unroll all the filaments to avoid negative influence on normal use of the device in the future. Remark: the device is durable and awesome device, but just like all mechanical tools, it needs a break after 1 hour of continuous use to prolong its lifespan.